Ka sorkar jela kalabatha ya Chief Secretary ban khot ya ka jingalang ka bakhat du bat harijan Panchayat Committee HPC shwabakut ubanai nailur bat ban pen poi ya ka kai phot halor ka rai ka badei ba jing ai jingmun ban pen kan ria eklai spa sap artlik long yeng na tham yo maulong haba pen pau ya ka ni ha ka shipho trik nailur usembut menteri rangba ubadei pet ya katanan Urban Affairs uba snga balang dhar ulaong Ngila batha ya Chief Secretary ban khot jingalang bat ka harijan Panchayat Committee bat pen poi ya ka kai phot ka bakhat du shangi bat ngin sashim ya ka rai ka bakhat du na kalyang ka sorkar udhar ula ong baka HPC kala kerpat ban ai porshu namar kidon shibun kimat banyakren bat ki bakham halor jongki namar kata ka sorkar kala rai ban ai por baka dei ka sin ka bakhat du Chief Secretary unsa khot ka jingalang hakatayo bakhat du bat unsa pen poi ka kai phot cha ka sorkar ban shim ya ka rai ka bakhat du ula banram habakli udhar ula ong ngim yo iya kanikum ka buj pen pen slam ya ka kam Henry kum ka sorkar ngikwa ban poi syakarai ka bamiat ka babaha. Ula pen skam ru baka sorkar ka shim ya karai bakhat du bakan amdan shu ka jingalang halor ka ka benta hadin ka jingalang ka bansalong hakatayo ka bakhat du jong uni ubnai.
So the 15 days which they have time from the government with the last meeting is already end. And another request they also please give us time till last week of September. And we have instructed CS to call the last meeting with them, and they will submit the final report to us, and we will take call from the government side. Because you see, when they ask, they have another few point they have to discuss with their higher authority, obviously. But I think this is the last extension for them till the end of this month. I think maybe by the last week, CS will call them, and he will submit the report to the government. What is the final discussion with them? I think it has to be. We didn't take it tactic because we want to come to a good conclusion only as a government. That's what we do for.